to the Chiefs. All hail to the Chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to stand up, to meet and greet and salute the defending, the reigning champion of the NFL, the one and only who made it cold last night for the 49ers like it was Winterfell. The one and only, folks, the Kansas City Chiefs. Oh, come on, folks. Let's salute the Chiefs. All hail. All hail to the Chiefs. All hail. All hail. All hail. All hail. All hail. Or should I say, what the hell happened to the San Francisco 49ers last night? Woo! Pat Mahommes, let's go! Oh, yes, my son. Oh, you did it, my son. Let's go. Oh, yes. Should I say it? Oh, we need it. Should I say it? Maestro. Oh. Da-ra-pa-pa. Da. Ru-pu-pu. Da. May the church say amen. Da-ra-pa-pa. And Pat Mahommes we trust. Let's go. You deserve to be champion. You have earned your stripes. Oh, yes. Respect, respect. NFL fans, oh, it is sad this season had to come to an end. I did not want the football season to end, folks, to be honest with you. I was just beginning to have fun with the Pro League, like I always have fun with the college football series, but we're gonna keep you very informed. Not now, I'll see you guys in next fall, but for this one here, what a way to close the season this year. Did you guys know that the Kansas City Chiefs were deemed as the underdog of this weekend's Super Bowl? For those of you who had the chance to watch the game like I did, America, I learned my lesson from a year ago when this dude played against the Philadelphia Eagles. Remember I told you on my previous podcast that this dude is special. You thought I was joking, right? I know what I've been witnessing over the last 2 years. And I always tell you guys that this dude here is unlike anything you'll ever see since Tom Brady retired from the NFL. He's like Tom Brady on steroids, with the instinct of a famous basketball player that we all know named Michael Jordan. In other words, whether it's 3 or 1 minute left on the clock, this is when the big time player coming. If you love professional American football, For those of you who watched the Super Bowl last night, and respect to Usher Raymond, question mark for, but I'm not gonna judge you. It was a magnificent performance, and I watched all the commercials. I had fun. Christopher Walken's, that was a funny commercial for that BMW thing. That was funny. And respect to the commercial where they had the Eagles and the Seahawks and flying with the wings and thing. That was funny. And but let's focus back on the game. San Francisco, nothing to be ashamed of. You showed up, you played, you pushed Pat Mahommes to his limit for 4 quarters and even took him to overtime. I would like to give a special respect to the kicker, number 7, Buktner at Kansas City Chiefs. Look here, Lamar Hunt, or I think it's his son. This dude deserves a raise. And I would like to work my way from bottom to up. Let's give a big respect to Chris Jones, number 95, and the entire Kansas City Chiefs defensive core. I told you guys that defense is as mean as Joe Green and meaner than 2 sumo wrestlers fighting over pork and beans. I warned you about that defense. Kansas City Chiefs has spent the money that it takes to win a Super Bowl. They spent the bread. They spent the bread. To the following defenders. To the Spartans, George Kalafis, the Greek Spartan, number 56. Respect your linebackership. Respect to the Nigerian nightmare, Mr. Felix Anunki. Respect to Mr. Edwards. And respect to Mr. McDuff, number 22. What a cornerbacks, all pro, give him the race. These guys prevented Deebo Samuel of 2 touchdowns. Anu of 1 touchdown. The only guy that have an issue stopping him was number 15. Number 15 was all over the place for San Francisco. Respect to you, even though you lost, but respect to you, sir. And he put a performance for the 49ers. Him and number 23, who was not meant to be Christian McCaffrey. And Brock Purdy, respect to you too. You had your moments in the game. And respect to the San Francisco 49ers core. Bosa is a Kerry Kittles. It's just that you are facing, as I said before the game, the GOAT of the modern day generation. And respect to, now let's walk up the ladder. For those of you who are watching the game for the Taylor Swift narrative, I have never seen this lady jump around like this. How come you don't do it for a concert? Like she was excited for her husband or future husband to be Travis Kelce. Now you are one over Shannon Sharp, and you have caught up to Gronkowski because Gronk came to New England on their 4th championship. Now, folks, in the modern day game, Travis Kelce is now the modern day boss in the tight end division at 30 years old. Congratulations, you've earned it. And he made some important catches in the 3rd and 4th quarter to keep the first down play going for Kansas City. And he said he was not going to retire. He'll be back next season. Kansas City Chiefs fans, cross your fingers, because why? When a player said, I'll see you next year, they have a tendency to come back and say, you know what, I changed my mind, I'm retiring now on a high. If you come back next season, you still have your tight end, but if he doesn't, you have a great tight end in number 84 who will take over his position. So respect to the tight end core and the office coordinator. I would like to give a special dedication to Steve Spagnoulo, the defensive coordinator for the Kansas City Chiefs. Respeto. Why? He went all out after Brock Purdy in the 4th quarter. I think that's what salvaged Kansas City Chiefs season. Because if they did not put pressure on Brock Purdy, they would have lost that game. So respect to Steve Spagnoulo with your defensive mindset. And to the man himself, respect to Isiah Pacheco. Even though you upset me, young man, you made 2 fumbles that could have cost the 49ers the game, but respect to Pacheco. Your hard run have left Kansas City Chiefs to this year's championship as the new number 10 to replace Tyreek Hill. But respect to Melvin Aguilar, number 11. Respect to Edward Elaire. But Pat Mahommes, folks. Holy Toledo, Kansas. I will not do prediction on Pat Mahommes anymore. As they call me Mr. 70 to 90%, I'll let you guys decide now moving forward. I presented the product to you. I showed you what the product was about after he defeated my second favorite team in the NFL, the Bills, on the road, after he defeated the Baltimore Ravens, the hot favorite in the AFC, right? He won the entire playoff on the road. Folks, after 20 years in the NFL, since New England did it, there is a saying, every record is meant to be broken. The wait is over. You have your new good America. I will wipe my mouth with this napkin here today. Because they always say I've been talking shh. I wipe my mouth. Again, I wipe my mouth. Let me wipe my mouth. May the name Pat Mahommes, when it comes to negativity in the regular season, wipe out my mouth. Because why this dude here, he will break your heart again next season. He might win the thing again. This dude is meant for destiny, chosen by the football gods. In my own stadium at the Raiders in Las Vegas, where the torch was lit. Rest in peace to Al Davis Sr. We know what we saw last night, and I don't have to explain this to you. Ball game, overtime. I told you guys -2, -3, -6, and then in good mood. -10, -7. He delivered. Pat Mahommes, I wash my hand like Pilate the Pontiff. Long may your reign continue. The dynasty has begun, folks. I have nothing to say. My football season is over. And we will see you guys next season. All hail to the Chiefs. All hail to the Kansas City Chiefs. Your reigning champion of the 2003-2024 season. And again, Pat Mahommes, you deserve to have your crown. And now, it's time to sit back, recline in my chair like an old man, and watch the dynasty. All hail. That's all I got to say. America, there is your champion. Never say I didn't warn you. And you know this was coming. It was a matter of time. Folks, adieu. And see you next year. Bye-bye. All hail to the Chiefs. Respect. And as for me, folks, and the famous quote of Bernie Mac, I'm out this mud. It's out. What a season. Wow. Pat Mahommes. All hell. Final hours, baby. and we're done.